Highway Code Rule 79. Crossing the road. Do not ride across equestrian crossings, as they are for horse riders only. Do not ride across a pelican, puffin or zebra crossing. Dismount and wheel your cycle across. Highway Code Rule 80. Toucan crossings. These are light control crossings which allow cyclists and pedestrians to share crossing space and cross at the same time. They are push button operated. Pedestrians and cyclists will see the green signs together. Cyclists are permitted to ride across. Highway Code Rule 81. Cycle only crossings. Cycle tracks on opposite sides of the road may be linked by signalled crossings. You may ride across, but you must not cross until the green cycle symbol is shown. Highway Code Rule 82. Level crossings, tramways. Take extra care when crossing the tracks. See Rule 306. You should dismount at the level crossings where a cycle dismount sign is displayed.